Upbeat music playing. Welcome to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two mop-tastic contenders, the Gorfinty Steam Mop and the Kenmore SM2050. It's the heavyweight bout of the century. On the left, we have the Gorfinty Steam Mop, boasting a whopping 10-in-1 multi-purpose magic trick. And on the right, the Kenmore SM2050, the 2-in-1 steam cleaner that promises to make your mess disappear faster than your New Year's resolutions. First up, the price. Gorfinty is sitting pretty at a cool $139, while Kenmore is waving a friendly $89. Reviewers highlight that Kenmore is an affordable choice, making it a great option for budget-conscious shoppers. Many customers appreciate the value it brings without sacrificing performance. Meanwhile, Gorfinty, though pricier, is noted for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a comprehensive solution. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Gorfinty claims to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains with its high-temperature steam. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness, noting it cleans various surfaces without harsh chemicals. On the other hand, the Kenmore SM2050 also boasts 99.9% cleaning power but has been critiqued for its single steam jet, which some users feel may not disinfect as effectively. However, it heats up quickly and is praised for its ease of use in cleaning tasks, making it a solid contender. Last but not least, let's discuss versatility. Gorfinty is the overachiever with 10 accessories, making it incredibly versatile for cleaning everything from floors to delicate items. Reviewers often mention its ability to tackle deep cleaning with ease. Meanwhile, Kenmore offers a 2-in-1 feature that also provides good versatility but with limited attachments. Customers appreciate its lightweight design and maneuverability, especially in tight spaces, although some find it less effective for specific tasks like cleaning glass surfaces. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths. Gorfinty receives high praise for its versatility and cleaning power, making it ideal for those seeking a robust cleaning tool. In contrast, Kenmore is favored for its affordability and ease of use, although it has some limitations in performance and versatility. Customers generally appreciate both products, but lean toward Gorfinty for more intensive cleaning needs and Kenmore for everyday use. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for affordability and versatility, the Kenmore SM2050 is your best bet. But if you want an all-in-one powerhouse that's ready to tackle any mess, Gorfinty is your go-to. Remember, whether you're Team Gorfinty or Team Kenmore, the most important thing is to keep your space clean and your spirits high. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product snackdowns, and leave a comment below telling us which mop you'd take home. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay steamy, my friends.